Hi there, this is Virendra dear. Today, this early in the morning, at the top of a hill, your friend is to inspire you and let you know the secret of your power of brain. You will be what you will to be. But never mind failures. Set a definite goal in life. Be determined. Be ready to sacrifice everything else. Budget time, money, energy. Devote and concentrate. Focus every minute towards the attainment of your goal, and you are bound to come out flying colors. Because, as James Allen wrote this, you will be what you will to be. Let failure find its false content in the poor world environment, but its spirit scorns it and is free. It masters times, it conquers a space, it cows the boastful trickster chance, it bids the tyrant circumstance uncrown and fill a servant place. The human will that forces unseen, the offspring of a deathless soul, can heave a way to any goal. The walls of granite intervene. Be not impatient in delay, but wait. And as one who understands, once his spirit rises and commands, the gods are ready to obey. And beloved friends, remember it. It is never too late in life to attain greatness, to start dreaming, using the creative faculty of your imaginative brain with new ideas and brilliant thoughts, and you will become one day a person of your dream and desire. Your thought is your strength. Think big, dream big, and be ready to pay the price with proper plan of action, persevering, persisting, striving, seeking and finding the different ways and means, believing that you are an equal temper of heroic heart, and you will attain success, and you will never be defeated in life. Just believe in yourself, in your intelligence, in the God-gifted power of your mind, controlling and directing towards a definite chief from your life like a laser beam, neither looking left nor right, focusing all energy, and the power of persistence and the power of burning desire backed by faith can make you a person of your dream. And you will be surprised and astonished that it's you who has attained such a glorious moment of your life, because you are born equal like any great man. Believe in yourself. Be ready to work very hard, because I say you, I command you and demand from you, come my friends. It's never too late to become a person of your dream. It may be that you have not done enough till now, but it's never too late. Start now. Do not look in the past. Present is yours. Trust no future, however great. Let the past bury with its dead. Act in the living present. Heart within and God overhead. Beloved friends, concentrate. Have a definite purpose, a definite goal to attain in life, and put your total heart and soul. And then you will be what you will to be. Dream lofty dreams, and as you dream, so shall you become one day. Your dreams will become reality, and everything starts with dream. Be a dreamer. The world is so glorified. The world is so comfortable. We have conquered time and distance because of the dreamers. Wright brothers gave us airplane. Henry Ford gave us self-propelled automobiles. Edison gave us electric light bulb. Electric light bulb. Otto Hahn gave us the atomic energy secrets, and so on and so forth. May God bless you. Believe in yourself. Life's battle don't always go to the strong or the fast man, but sooner or later the one who wins is the one who thinks one can. She can, you can, I can, you can. Dear friends, you may be astonished that why I have not become a great international figure till now. It was simply because of the fact I never knew the secret of success, why I learned in the late of my life. I never knew all this. That's why I have taken the challenge to transform so many ignorant, indolent and thoughtless people who do not believe in themselves that they can become great too. I let you know the path. Believe in yourself. Have a definite goal in life. Put your total energy. Be guided by the best brains around you in that area and try to compensate for their contribution, and you will attain your goal. Any field, any walk of life which is the labor of love for you, which you love doing, get it done, because life is short. Early in the morning, get up, stand before the mirror and revise your list of destiny, your purpose of life. Remind yourself and see yourself in that environment, already attaining that goal, and loudly tell yourself that you have attained it. Slowly you will develop tremendous faith and belief in yourself. That is called influencing the subconscious mind through auto-suggestion. That's the way also it is known as mirror technique. And believe in yourself, have a resolute will, and then you become master of man among men. You yourself, a great man, a successful man. Thank you.